Okay, you've got to compare scalars and vectors and give an example. So, in short, vectors are things that have direction. Anything else is generally a scalar. Vector, downwards, so force downwards. What else could have a direction? Velocity could have velocity north. And so generally, if it has a direction, it's a vector. I always put a little line in the V, and it reminds me V for vector, V for velocity, and got the arrow there. It reminds me it has the direction always. Okay. So in summary, direction up, left, down, right, north, something like that. And magnitude, so how big it is. Magnitude just means big or small. So 4, 8, 15, 16, 23, 42, any number like that. Scalars are things that don't make any sense to have a direction on them. So you can't be 10 years old in a direction, or your mass doesn't really increase in direction. I mean, yeah, and oh yeah, I think like if you say 10 kilograms on a scale, that helps me remember that kilograms are scalar, as in they don't have any direction. And I can't really be 5 years old left or north. It's a bit weird. You can just have a magnitude, so it can be big or small. It can be 4 kilograms, 8 kilograms, 42. That's fine. So what you'd have to write down here is that vectors have a direction and magnitude. Give an example. For example, force. You just say scalars have a magnitude, no direction. Give an example, mass. Just watch it. They generally go in pairs. So mass, yeah, has weight, which is the vector version of it. Weight, because weight always goes downwards, it pulls you down. Speed, it can be 5, 10, 9, has velocity as the vector version of it. So that's speed with a direction. Yeah, that kind of way. So they generally go in pairs. Anyway, them the marks, and that's the question.